Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video I want to touch base on CrowdStrike. So CrowdStrike is something that I have been covering about it since the time it did this massive fall. You can check out those videos on my channel, but the premises of those videos have been that in my opinion this was an overreaction, and as I have been talking about that I have built into the position here close to these red lines is where I got interested, and I provided these areas way before the price even got over there here. And then as it got above this area of 225, I added to my position. Now, what am I doing? I did sell some today, and very little position I actually, I sold. But I am looking to at least take out 50% of my position, 50 to 60% eventually next week as well. Now, why so? And just my opinion, guys, nothing is financial advice here. Now, why so, right? So first of all, these two red lines, where did these red lines come from? So let's go to the weekly interval. And so I provided you this area of 200 week moving average, right? And that's where these red line came from. And there are some pivots as well with the confluence of the 200 week moving average. That's why those red lines are there. And I mentioned that this is an overreaction. I'm looking for an opportunity to buy. It's just that where the price action would confirm that bounce, right? So this is where I got into that. Now, and I covered all of that about this in my video, on my videos on my channel. Now, the level to the upside that I'm targeting, and eventually, and I'm just sizing out already at these significant levels, right? So that's all what I'm doing. Now, the thing is that this is the zone, the blue box is the zone that I do expect CrowdStrike to do some either a pullback or it's just going to break out, right? So, but it's a deciding point for the next run on this or a next, little bit of a downside. My target was take out most of my position close to this zone, right? And then we'll see remaining position, which I want to hold as long-term portfolio position, is if it does a pullback, that's fine. I'm just going to hold the remaining position. And if it goes above blue box, the remaining position, I'm happy, more happy, right? Otherwise, I'll just let it come down again and I'll buy more when the price consolidates. But it's about taking partial profits closer to this blue box. So we are getting that run up, that what I expected after we got above this level of 226. And this is the blue box that I'm targeting, eventually closer to 200 days moving average, but I'm sizing out already position close to this blue box. And this is where the next pivot resistances are. And then we'll see, as I said, if we'll see resistance here and then we drop again to the downside in the structure, or if we consolidate here, do a little bit pullback, but if consolidation breaks out to the upside, especially about 200 days moving average, then it's a continuation to the upside. But this is the pivotal point, the structure, this blue box area, all right? Quick and simple, I just wanted to provide you an update on this CrowdStrike. If you found this video helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe. And I still believe that that was an overreaction, but it's just that price action has given me the move that I wanted. Now the rest of the plan is just as how I explained in this video. Guys, please hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos. Bye.